Let's look at today's pattern. So we're going to say this together and figure out what the pattern is. Ready? 19, 20, 21. All right, are the numbers getting bigger each time you say one? Yes, they are. So that means it's an increasing. The pattern is increasing. All right, and are you going to the next number when you count by ones? Yes, so that means that the pattern is increasing by 1. All right, so all we have to do is say these three numbers and then figure out what comes next when we count by 1. So let's do that. Ready? 19, 20, 21. Think. What number comes next? Right, 22. So I'm going to write 22. All right, so if this is 22, what would come after that? Think. 23. Good. And if this is 23, what comes next? Think. Good. 24. All right, let's go back and double check and make sure we did it right. Ready? 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Does that make sense? Yes, we continue to have the numbers get bigger, and we just went to the next number when we were counting by ones. Good job. Let's see how many coins we have that are going to be in our coin cup. So as I move each coin, I'm going to put it in the cup and we're going to count and see how many we have. But before we do that, let's talk about what coin this is. Think. Yes, this is the penny. And how much is the penny worth? Think. 1 cent. So when we count our pennies, we're going to figure out how much money that is, and it'll be the same number as how many pennies we have. So let's count together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right, how do I write 16? Think. All right, I'm going to write a 1 and then a 6. And then what am I missing? The cent symbol. So I'm going to write a C with a line going straight through it. So this says 16 cents. So we have 16 pennies and it's worth 16 cents.